power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2025 Jeep Wrangler Sport in Granite Crystal Metallic with LED headlamps and fog lamp group, front full-speed forward collision warning, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 4,000 miles in the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, remote start system, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10958A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.